Hello, Graham this side. I got to know about ProThoughts from Google. I was specifically searching for an in-person training, and that's how I came across. So, thank you, ProThoughts, firstly, for facilitating this. Secondly, the vast experience, the real world experience that Mr. Saurabh, our trainer, has showed to us is nothing short of exemplary. I mean, I've seen trainers who just do the talk, but he's walking the walk as well. So yeah, I think we're glad to have a trainer who has faced the real world scenarios, and that has helped us a lot. My key takeaway is I was totally unaware of this of the project management world. This has given me a peek, and I'm excited to move forward in it. So that's it. Thank you.